Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're talking about myEcon and how I personally generate, on average, about 3 to 5 sales every single day with myEcon. And I'm going to break down those three things for you. What are they? What does it look like? How can you do this? How can you literally do exactly what I'm doing if you're looking to build your myEcon business? Maybe you're watching this video because you're checking out myEcon as a possible business to join. You're looking for a team to join, or you just want to see what's out there and looking for ideas. Make sure you watch this video all the way through as I break it all down for you. Now, what's really important to note is this. What I want you to do is look really closely at your screen right over here in this column. You're going to see right here where it says EBM2. What does that mean? That is the level that people join in myEcon. That is one of the levels. There's 3 different levels that you could join at. You could join for $20, $40, or $100. Most of the sales that I'm getting, people are coming in at the $100 level. So how is that possible? myEcon is typically, always had either like a 20 or a 30 or a $40 entry point. And earlier this year, they opened up a $100 entry point. Most of the sales that I get, people are coming in at the higher level. Now, why is that? What is it that I'm doing? What is it that you could be doing to attract a higher ticket buyer into your myEcon business? Okay, so let's dive into that. Let's break down specifically the 3 things that I'm doing each and every day that is allowing me to make these sales. So no gatekeeping here. This is literally the 3 things that I'm doing right now to close 3 to 5 sales every single day with myEcon. And I'm going to break each one of these down because I'm sure you're looking at this, thinking, okay, how, what, like, what exactly does this look like? What are some of the things that you're doing? That sort of thing. Okay. I'm going to break it all down for you and just basically walk you through it. And I want you to realize this, the results that I get, my friend, is not luck. It's just design. It's consistency day in and day out, something I've been doing for years, even in multiple other businesses. And every single time I, choose a different business opportunity, I always get the same results. The results don't vary. In a previous business that I was in many years ago, I still got 3 to 5 sales a day. I've always generated about 3 to 5, sometimes even 10, 15 sales in a day, following exactly what you're seeing on your screen right now. So let's break down each one of these individually and talk about, what does this look like? What are you doing? So it all starts with TikTok, otherwise known as, it all starts with short form videos, meaning videos that are, anywhere between 10 to 60 seconds, about a 1-minute video. Okay. So it all starts with that. So let's head on over to my TikTok channel and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is one of my TikTok accounts, and I have multiple TikTok accounts. And the reason why I have multiple is I'm always split testing. So I'm posting the same style of videos to multiple TikTok accounts, not the same video to every TikTok account, because that's going to reduce your views. You always want to be posting fresh new content and not posting the same video to multiple TikTok accounts. Okay. So hope that makes sense. And as you can see here, all I'm doing is literally posting short videos. And these videos aren't like crazy viral videos. These are just basic videos. Some of them are getting hundreds of views. Some of them are getting thousands of views, but it's just a consistency. And I could scroll down here and, just scroll literally for days because I've been consistent for a long, long time. And that's what's going to help you get results in this business, and specifically with myEcon, is consistency. Okay. And that's it. Some of these videos, 60,000 views, 16,000 views. I have videos that I've had some videos that have gotten 500,000 views. And although those are great and, it's cool when it happens, but on average, if you're getting, anywhere between 2, 3, 400 views, all the way up to like 1,000+ views, that's going to help you. And you do that every single day. So that's what they're doing here. That's my first step to show my leads is, hey, this is what's going on. I have little short 1-minute videos that I post on TikTok. And then if they want more information from those 1-minute videos, the very next thing I'm doing, which is number 2, what I just showed you, is I bring them from there over to YouTube. Okay. So it's as simple as this. They go from a short form presentation to a long form presentation. So if you're paying attention, if you're taking any sort of notes here or trying to gather insight as to exactly what I do to generate 3 to 5 sales a day in myEcon, that's one of the big clues right there. They watch a short form presentation, short form video, and then they go to a long form presentation. It's as simple as that. So what is the long form presentation? What exactly am I using? This is the difference maker between what you want to do versus what everybody else is doing. Okay. So you need to take them, that lead, to some form of presentation. Now, myEcon has video presentations that you can use. It's right on their main website, kind of an opportunity video. You could take people to that. But what's also really important too here is branding. You want to kind of need to understand branding, because someone just watched a short form video of you on your TikTok channel or wherever you have short form videos. It could be on Facebook, could be on Instagram. It's all kind of the same thing. Then they go and they land and they watch a long form video. Now, if that long form video is of you and you're talking more in depth about the business opportunity, in my personal opinion, that's going to help you land the sale more versus if you sent them to some company presentation. But it's entirely up to you. And especially when you're brand new, use what you have. Okay. You don't feel like you need to go create everything yourself. 100% use what you have available. And that's what we do for our team, is we literally give them all of these things. We give them the short form videos. We give them the full length presentations. We give them the sales funnels. We do the email follow-up for them, which is one of the many reasons why our team is the biggest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon. So when someone, which is step number 2, I bring them over to YouTube, okay, they're going to land right here. Now, here's something that I didn't share earlier, but this is also kind of a little hint, a little nugget for you. Once they land here, they're going to watch a full-length presentation. You can see down here, it might be a little tough to see, but this video is 22 minutes long. I've done several of these. I usually do a new one about every 2 to 3 weeks to keep it fresh, where I just change up the flow a little bit. I change up the verbiage a little bit, but I always have a fresh video, a full-length video that they can watch and get an overview. Now, you might be asking yourself, okay, what is in the overview? Okay, what is in there that you are explaining? Okay, and it's really, really simple. I just walk people through what they get by joining me, what they get for free by being part of our team. They get our system, they get our app. I show them proof of other people getting results. I walk them through exactly, everything that they're going to get when they join our team, what that process looks like. I take them through similar to what I'm taking you through right now, walking them through the process, short form video to long form video. And then this basically walks them through everything that they're going to get, the myEcon opportunity, the products, the services, how much they can make, when they get paid, how they get paid, all of those sorts of things. It's all here in this video. Now, one of the most important steps, which is the last step in those 3 things that I showed you. So it starts with TikTok. I take them over to YouTube, and then there is the follow-up. So how does the follow-up work? What does that look like? Okay. Now, this is really important. When someone is over on my TikTok channel, so we're going to go back to step number 1 here. On all of my TikTok videos, I leave my real phone number right on the video. Okay, I leave my phone number right there. I say, if you're ready to get started, if you want more information, send me a text message right here. So now I'm personally connecting one-on-one with these leads. They reach out, send me a text message. I send them over to YouTube to watch my presentation. And I also make sure on my presentation video, I leave my real phone number right at the top of the video. I just edit that right in there. So they always feel like they have a connection. There's no like and trust there. Hey, they just text me from TikTok. They said, I want more information. I send them over here to YouTube. And now the follow-up, which is really key and critical, is once they watch the full length video, now I follow up with them and I say, hey, did you make it through? Did you watch the full 22-minute presentation? And then when they say yes, I say, great. And I ask the question. It's really simple. Great. Are you ready to enroll? That's it. Simple, short, sweet, easy, my friend. So short form video, to long form video. Okay. And then as you can see over here, I literally have, hundreds and hundreds of texts from people texting me going through this same exact process. Okay. They watch a TikTok video. They text me looking for more information. I send them to my YouTube channel. They watch a full length presentation, right? And then as soon as they're done, I text them back and say, did you make it through? Did you watch the full length presentation? And then when they say yes, if they haven't watched it, I just say, okay, when will you finish that? Asking some qualifying questions there. But once they've watched it, I say, great. Are you ready to enroll? That's it, my friend. It's as simple as that. Now, I know you might be thinking to yourself, okay, I get it. You take them from TikTok, they go over to YouTube, you follow up with them, you close the sale. It all sounds very basic. Yes, it is really basic. Now, there's other things that you could do in there because once I'm just giving you guys kind of like the umbrella of it, like the overall snapshot of it. You might be thinking like, okay, what are you saying in your TikTok videos? What are you saying in your YouTube videos? Are you following any formulas? Are you using certain verbiage? Are you doing specific things? And the answer to that, my friend, is yes. You have to understand that marketing is basically formulas. Whatever you're selling online, whether it's your myEcon business or whatever it is, whatever you are marketing online is just simply formulas. That's all it is. And in that, that is exactly what we teach you when you get on our team. So if you want to see that full length video presentation, link in the description down below that will take you over to that 22-minute video, and you could go watch it for yourself. And then you're going to see that we give that to you. All of that is right here in this team training site. We're going to plug you into our Facebook group. We're going to give you guys our app so you can run your entire myEcon business from an app on your phone. And in all of this training right here, this is where we teach you the formulas. We teach you YouTube. We teach you TikTok. We teach you everything that has to do with short form videos, long form videos. We even give you the content where, all of those formulas are wrapped up into one piece of content in the video that's already done for you. So you could take that and you could use it, or you could go create your own. But here in our team training site, and this is exclusive and proprietary to our team. You're not going to get this on any other myEcon team. The only place you're going to get this team training site with all of these formulas, all of these training, literally hundreds of thousands of hours of content in here. And this stuff goes on for days, my friend. Even when you look down here, as an example, in the bonus section, this is where you'll find things like YouTube University, where I teach you from scratch how to build a YouTube channel, how to use formulas, how to create thumbnails, how to put all this stuff together. That's why, you ready for this? That's why if you just go and search myEcon on YouTube, you cannot escape my videos. You will find my videos because I know how to use the YouTube search engine and use search engine optimization to get my videos ranked to the top of the YouTube search engine when you search for myEcon. It's all right here in YouTube University, and we give that to you. I normally sell that course for $500. If you went to my website, you would see that I sell it for $500. When you become part of our myEcon team, we give that to you for free. And we also have Facebook training, Instagram training, TikTok training. All of those things are included right here in our team training site. So again, that's why our team is successful. So those three things that I just shared with you, taking people from TikTok over to YouTube and following up, we even have a huge section on follow-up. Okay. So if you go here to start promoting, okay, you'll see a section right here that says how to communicate with leads. So what am I saying to my leads? Exactly how am I communicating with them and what am I saying to them? That's all right here, and how to communicate with your leads. So everything that you need, all of your formulas, your marketing, your short form videos, your long form videos, everything that you need, and how I do what I do is all inside of this team training site. So all I'm doing is doing what I teach every single day. This is called living practice, my friend. I'm not just sitting here teaching theory and giving you guys theories and ideas of what could work. I'm living practice. I'm doing every single day exactly what I teach inside of this team training site. So there you go, my friend. I hope you found this helpful. And this is literally as simple as it is. I know it seems simple, it sounds simple, and that's because it is simple. Yes, you have to learn some of the ins and outs and the formulas and certain things like keywords and stuff like that, but that's all easy stuff. You just have to start because action cures fear, my friend. And trust me, it's much better to be here on the inside than it is there on the outside looking in, wishing, hoping, praying things get better, wondering, pondering, doubting, fearing. Will this work? Stop thinking about what could go wrong and start thinking about what could go right. We have the formulas, we have the training, we have the proven, documented results day in and day out that what we do works. End of story. Can't deny it, can't debate it. It is what it is. Our system works. And what I'm showing you here is the formula for success. So if you're looking at myEcon, you're wondering what to do to get results, or any business, the formulas and strategies are always the same. And our system teaches you that and shows you that step by step, day by day. That is it, my friend. If you're ready to get started, link in the description down below. If you want to see my full 22-minute tutorial, again, link in the description down below. If you have any questions for me, as usual, I leave my phone number right here at the top of this video. You can send me a text message or grab my phone number down below, or just simply drop a comment. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.